Hello and welcome back. This is Ileana from Everyday Crystal Magic with the 5th video in the Chakra Crystal series. And this one is about Throat Chakra. Let's get to it. The Throat Chakra is about self-expression and communication with our higher self and others. Remember that at the beginning there was the Word. Self-expression is not only your ability to speak, it's the ability to speak your truth, to find your voice and share your creations. Communication means the ability to understand and be understood. Truth and clarity are the attributes of the throat chakra. The element is air, and the sacred geometry shape is the octahedron. The color energy is blue, the color of truth and trust. If you go and check the playlist on Not All Crystals of the Same Color Are Created the Same, my very first video in that series about blue crystals, and certainly you will find a few that will be great throat chakra crystals if you want to go by color energy. However, choosing a crystal for any chakra is based on the imbalances we need to address. So let's look at the throat chakra imbalances. When the throat chakra is blocked or underactive, that's when there is shyness, difficulty expressing your thoughts, your opinions, there is anxiety, fear to say something that will make others uncomfortable or offend, feeling insecure or completely suppress your own voice to the point of erasing your presence. Like, I won't say a word, you wouldn't even know I am here. Physical symptoms we have for this imbalance: hypothyroidism, dental issues, sore throat, mouth ulcers, and sinus infections, just to mention a few. Here are the crystals. Lapis lazuli. This one is my favorite. It's the stone of royalty in ancient Egypt, and it also embodies truth and empowerment. Blue sapphire for overall healing and opening of the throat chakra. Help with thyroid issues too. Supports your self-expression and to speak your truth. Same as blue topaz. My top choice for anxiety, blue lace agate. Now, moving on to the overactive throat chakra symptoms. Excessive talking, writing, gossiping, reacting, trolling people on social media, I have to say that. Being loud, try to be the center of attention, being argumentative and hostile, inability to listen or lack of active listening skills. In the physical aspect, we have neck pain, earache, and laryngitis. For these symptoms, here are the crystals. Chrysocolla, to promote balance and understanding, allows you to speak from the heart. Blue calcite, to promote and to bring energy to balance and calm. Aquamarine, to speak without judgment, avoid arguments, and also to promote harmony. I want to add that communication also applies to open those channels to your higher self and your spirit guides, angelic realms, and access Akashic memory. For these, you'll be looking at blue kyanite, celestite, and angelite. Now, how to use these crystals. I have mentioned before to use them in meditation, carry them with you, or in a crystal grid. You can also place them in your sacred space if you have one. Let that be in a grid or a specific shape or carving. I hope this helps you to address any throat chakra imbalances, and if needed, do seek help in other healing modalities to find the root cause of any issues or blockages. Don't forget to check all the videos in the links below and our crystal classes. Also below are the affiliate links for the crystals mentioned in this video and the others. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.